In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams password. It's a simple process that should take no more than 5 minutes from start to finish, and I'll be guiding you through each step to ensure that you can easily update your password without any hiccups. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button and click on it. This is your portal to access all your Microsoft services, not just Teams. So make sure you're using the account associated with your Teams profile. If you're already signed in, you're one step ahead. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Teams interface. You'll notice your profile photo there. If you haven't personalized your account with a photo, look for your initials inside a circle. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu that holds several options for account settings and more. In this menu, you'll want to find and select My Microsoft Account. This option will redirect you out of Teams and into the overarching Microsoft account dashboard that controls not just Teams, but all services tied to your Microsoft account. It's where all the magic happens for account management. Now that you're in your Microsoft account dashboard, look for the account option and click on it. This broad section includes everything from your personal information to your subscription details. Here, security is a paramount concern, and that's why changing your password is made straightforward. In the account section, navigate your cursor to the top right area and click on Change Password. It's a secure and necessary measure to keep your account safe, making it imperative to have a strong, unique password that you change periodically. Upon clicking Change Password, you'll be prompted to input your current password as a security measure. This helps prove your identity and secure your account-related changes. After that, you'll enter your new password twice, once to create it and once more to confirm it. This step is crucial for ensuring the accuracy of your new password. The final step is simple. Click Save to apply your changes, and just like that, you've successfully updated your Microsoft Teams password. Remember, your Microsoft account not only gives you access to Teams, but also integrates with other Microsoft services you may use. This means the password you've just changed is now updated across all Microsoft platforms that use this account. Therefore, the next time you log into any Microsoft service, including Teams, you'll need to use your new password. Changing your password regularly is a good practice for maintaining the security of your online presence. Make sure to use a strong and unique password each time, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, which significantly increases the security of your account. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to change your Microsoft Teams password quickly and securely. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials to get the most out of your digital tools and services. Thanks for watching.